In the year 2024, India will witness a significant advancement in the field of HVAC technology, particularly in cleanroom environments. Cleanrooms, those highly controlled spaces designed to minimize contamination, became more prevalent across various industries. These sterile environments played a crucial role in sectors such as pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, electronics, and healthcare. With the rapid growth of the Indian economy, the demand for cleanrooms soared. Industries recognized the importance of maintaining a controlled environment to ensure the quality and safety of their products. As a result, HVAC technology in cleanrooms underwent a remarkable transformation. In 2024, India will see the emergence of cutting-edge HVAC systems specifically tailored for cleanroom applications. These systems were designed to provide precise temperature, humidity, and air quality control, ensuring optimal conditions for sensitive processes. The integration of advanced sensors and monitoring systems allowed for real-time data analysis, enabling swift adjustments to maintain the desired environment. Moreover, the HVAC systems implemented in cleanrooms were engineered to be energy efficient, aligning with India's commitment to sustainability. The use of innovative technologies, such as variable speed drives and heat recovery systems, significantly reduced energy consumption while maintaining the required air quality standards. The advancements in HVAC technology also led to improved air filtration and purification systems. High-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) filters became the norm, effectively removing airborne particles as small as 0.3 micrometers. These filters played a vital role in preventing contamination and ensuring the sterility of the cleanroom environment. In addition to technological advancements, the year 2024 will witness a surge in research and development efforts focused on cleanroom HVAC systems. Collaborations between industry experts, scientists, and engineers led to the development of innovative solutions, pushing the boundaries of what was previously thought possible. In conclusion, the year 2024 will be a significant milestone in the field of HVAC technology in India, particularly in cleanroom environments. The integration of cutting-edge systems, energy-efficient designs, and advanced air filtration techniques revolutionize the way cleanrooms operate.